The edge-o-dock levelers compensate for the difference in height between a trailer floor and the dock. These units allow a load to then be moved in or out of the trailer safely and efficiently. Each unit provides a service range of 5 inches above and 5 inches below dock height. The levelers come complete with a 2-inch by 8-inch by 18-inch bumpers and installation instructions. The standard ramp length is 27 inches. Long ramping length is also available. The edge-o-dock levelers are available in mechanical, hand pump hydraulic, and electric hydraulic. The mechanical unit is operated by placing the actuation handle into the pocket located on the inner lip and pulling the handle down toward the floor. The operator then pushes the handle forward until the lip rests on the truck bed. As the trailer departs, the lip retracts behind the bumper face automatically. The hand pump units use a hand pump system to lift the leveler and extend the lip. The operator rotates the relief valve, allowing the deck to descend and rest on the trailer floor. The electric hydraulic edge-o-dock leveler is the easiest to operate. After the truck is backed against the dock, simply push and hold the control button. The leveler will raise and the lip will extend. For improved efficiency and safety at your dock, please contact us for more information on our full line of edge-o-dock levelers.